There's been many great highlights and times throughout this trip. Meeting the elders today was really reinvigorating for the cause as well. Just seeing the diversity of stories that they have and seeing their passion and desire for a free Tibet was really sort of, beautiful.
And what would you say to anyone considering coming on this trip?
The main thing is definitely come. I mean, we're in such an idyllic and picturesque part of northern India and Dharamsala. It's a beautiful accommodation, and Zoe, as the CEO, has so many opportunities for us to meet with like-minded people, NGOs, advocacy groups, politicians, and just really enhances your perspective of some of the challenges and the hardships, but also the hope and optimism for the future of Tibet.
Anything else you'd like to add?
Just mainly make sure that you continue to maintain your sort of enthusiasm and your energy for Tibet and supporting ATC. There's a lot of great things that we can do to keep the hope up and the positivity.